What's the meaning of bhai? Bhai. Bhai.
Bhai. Bhai. Bhai is a word commonly used in South Asia, especially in India and Pakistan, to refer to a brother, either biological or as a term of endearment. In Hindi and Urdu, the word bhai literally means brother. However, it has also come to be used as a slang term to refer to a close male friend or companion. The usage of bhai can convey a sense of camaraderie, loyalty, and kinship. It is often used in informal settings, such as among friends or acquaintances who share a bond or common interests. Overall, bhai is a term that connotes familiarity, trust, and brotherhood.